Hello you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you are just now finding me or finding my channel, hello, what is up? My name is Lauren. I am a YouTuber from Dallas, Texas. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle. My fiance and I, Cody, make vlogs together every weekend and we would love for you to hit that subscribe button below and keep watching our videos. One of my most watched videos here on my channel is my DIY fringe jean jacket. I saw it on TikTok one day and just decided that I needed to make my own, and so I did. I filmed a video about it. So if you haven't seen that video and you want to make a fringe jean jacket, then definitely go check that out and see how to make it yourself. I will link it below. But today I'm showing you how to style that jacket because I know when I first made it, I kind of had some issues figuring out what outfits to wear with it, how I wanted to style it. So that is what I'm going to be showing you today, how I style my DIY fringe jean jacket. Okay, this is the jean jacket that I made myself. I actually bought this jean jacket from the brand Wrangler and I got it off of the Walmart website. They have a couple different washes. I am so out of breath and I cannot speak right now. They have a couple different washes and I believe this is a men's jean jacket. It's pretty thick and great quality. It was like $35–40 on Walmart. I just literally used scissors and cut the bottom of it myself. I wanted it to look kind of just like rough and rugged, but I didn't want it to be super patchy and holey and just like I didn't want to like go crazy on it, so I just went pretty natural on the bottom. And then these fringes I got from Hobby Lobby, and like I show in the video, I glue them on myself and cut the fringes, and I do it all along the back sleeves. I thought about adding some fringe on the front right here, so I might make a video showing that again because that video is so popular, and I might like kind of remake it a little bit just because that was right when I started my channel, and I'm like, I go back and rewatch it and I'm like, oh, I wish I'd done that differently. The camera wasn't the best quality. I'm really excited to show you guys what kind of outfits I pair with it. Alright, in the way of pants, that is also something that's a little hard to pair with a jean jacket if it's not cropped. But when I first had the jean jacket, it was a little bit longer, so it's hard to style pants with them. I obviously love a good leather pant. Leather pants are like my go-to with any kind of denim because I love to mix and match with like denim and leather. These are from the boutique called State of Mind. I don't know if they're still in that boutique, but I will link other leather pant options below so that you can go check them out. I know that H&M has a really good pair that I've talked about plenty of times. Go check out these leather pants. I just love a good leather pant. Like I mentioned, they go with everything, and I think that leather is definitely gonna go into spring as a popular trend. With the leather, I just paired this bodysuit. This is a thinner bodysuit, but it has a little bit of a turtleneck and a long sleeve. I know like in Texas, it's still like in the 60s. It's a little bit chillier at night. So if you're going out, this look is very like if you're going out in Nashville or something like that, like this would be so cute. So it's just a white long sleeve with a little bit of a turtleneck bodysuit. I really like wearing bodysuits with leather pants. I just feel like it's a really like cute just look itself. Very basic. I think like if you go with basic, like I don't want to take away anything from the fringe jean jacket because that has to be just like the staple of the look. Like I want that to be the main thing that everyone's looking at. So very basic, like no crazy patterns. Another pair of pants that I'm loving, it is a pattern, and if you're wanting something that is patterned to go with the jacket, I think these are super cute, and they are a plaid pant. Like the plaid pants that came back this fall, I'm loving, and so I'm definitely going to be wearing them into spring. They're the neutral like beiges, and it looks like black and a tan color. So these are super cute. They are kind of like the dad pant look, so it has the like side cargo. With these pants, I am pairing this beige tank. I actually got this from Walmart, surprisingly enough, for like $6. Honestly, it might have been even $2. I don't know the exact price. I'll try to find it. The Walmart website is just really hard to navigate to find one thing. But yeah, this is from Walmart. The brand is the Time and True, I believe. And it's just like this really nice beige color. I feel like this color is so hard to find, but when you do, it's such a good color. It goes with everything. I'm wearing this tucked into a sports bra and then the jean jacket over it. So I think this is a really good option if you are wanting something a little bit more patterned or a little more not making the jacket a staple. I love these. Also from the boutique State of Mind, if I didn't say that already. Living in Texas or any really southern state, late spring and summers are actual death. Like, it's just hard to live and wear any kind of clothing in general in the summer. So I obviously have to have like a short and skirt option. These shorts are from Target and they are black denim. So this jean jacket is a little bit lighter wash, like a medium to light wash. And so I love combining a light wash denim with a black jean short. So that is what I did here. These are just from Target, super inexpensive. I want to say like $15. The brand is Wild Fable. I did get these last summer, so I don't know if they sell like this exact brand of short, but I will look and link them below if they do. I love the ribbed, just like frayed look on the bottom. I just love high-waisted and I love fit on these. I have them in a white that I tie-dyed like beige color, and then I also have them in, I think, a denim wash, but like I might be lying, I don't know. With that, I paired this muscle tank also from the State of Mind boutique. I purchased this probably about a month ago, but I haven't had a good time to wear it yet. But it has the shoulder pads and it is this really pretty camel color. I love anything like camel, tan, beige, like, ooh, those are my like favorite colors and could wear them like every single day. So that is what this is. It has just like a low scoop neck, or not a low scoop neck, shoulder pads, and I am also tucking this into my sports bra because that is what I love to do for every single outfit that I wear. I think it's just such a nice way just to frame your body a little bit better if you want something cropped. I don't know, I think it looks better than the arty crop shirts. I like just tucking it in. I think it just makes sweaters, anything, just look really, really more like put together and frame your body better. In the way of skirts, I am wearing this Free People leather skirt. I haven't worn this in a while. This like came out a couple years ago and it had a bunch of different, like I have a purple velvet one that was super popular. So I have this leather one that I don't wear very often because I think it runs a little big on me, but I love a good leather skirt, and since leather is back, like this piece is it. And with this leather skirt, I am pairing a leopard print bodysuit that has almost like the corset look. It has kind of the bra cup look that frames underneath, but what I love about it is that it doesn't have an underwire, it's just a seam. And I know sometimes that underwire is just so painful and like at the end of the day I'm just like ready to take it off. Doesn't happen with this one because it is just a seam. This bodysuit fits great and it's such a soft, breathable material, and I think with both of these, they're neutral, doesn't take away from the jacket, which I love, and it's just casual, but also like with the skirt, it's a little bit dressy. Dresses that you can wear with this jean jacket obviously depends on the style of jean jacket that you decide to DIY or that you decide to buy. Mine, I cropped it a little bit shorter, but it isn't very fitted, so I feel like a flowier dress just really wouldn't go. Something that's like poofier and not just like straight or fitted. The first dress that I'm wearing with this jean jacket is actually from, I can't remember the company. They sent me this a while back, but it is just this straight bodycon ribbed dress with a 3/4 length zipper. I mean, this dress is just basic. You can pair it with a bunch of different stuff, and I love that it's ribbed, so it's pretty breathable and it's not going to be heavy. So even though it's long sleeve, you can wear it in the spring. Probably not the summer, at least not in Texas. It gets so hot, but definitely the spring you could definitely wear this. I love the 3/4 length zipper, but overall I think this is such a cute option to wear with the jean jacket. I know, like I said, any kind of dress that's like bodycon or more fitted, like a ribbed look, is definitely going to look good with a jean jacket over it. Alright, this next style dress is from a boutique called Moonchild Boutique. It is a little bit fancier. It's like a black silk and it has a slit. I've shown this in other try on videos that I've made, like a haul that I made, and I think it's just such like a pretty simple black dress. Like the little black dress, you can never have enough black dresses. It is just a classic v-neck. I believe I got this in a size small. I just love this look. I like mix matching like denims with silk or like other types of styles of material, and so I think like the classic, like fancy, but you don't want to go too fancy, so you can throw on a fringe jean jacket and some like cute boots, heels, strappy heels, anything like that, and this is just like such a cute look. I love the black dress. I showed you 2 black dresses now because that's pretty much all I wear in my closet.